Hello, should I buy near support or wait for a bounce? It could be related to the strategy you are using, otherwise it's personal preference. Let's take AMD for instance as of May 12, 2026 to analyze. When we are looking at AMD, personally I would prefer to buy at the support line that I predetermine to buy at. When it pulls back to where I will want to buy it there. Now wait until it start going up. Last year I tried to do that with some stocks and I noticed that I will wait for 2 or 3 higher lows before I buy. But then some of them will pull back down to the support line before going up. So therefore, and then at that point I will notice that I pay a higher price for it by waiting for that to start going up before buying it. And then if it comes back down and before start going up, then compare it to where you went to the support line, I pay a higher price for it. So in 2026 I decided that, you know what, I'm not going to wait for that to start going up. I will predetermine my support line that I'm comfortable buying it at and just wait. When it touch point with that support line, I will make my purchase. If I have more than one support line that there is a chance it might go to the next one, I can split the purchases, buy some and buy some again. That way I'm not going to miss out if it does not go down and start going up. But then if it goes down, I know that I will be negative in this purchase until it start going up and surpass that price. And knowing that and be okay with it in advance allow me to just buy at the support line instead of trying to determine if it start going up or ready for me to get in case it will go back down. So there, and that way I can, because at the support line I'm paying a low price for it than when it start going up. So that is the strategy I'm using this year to see how I can compare it to last year, that I will wait for a few higher lows before I make my entry. When it comes to AMD, right now the price is close to all-time highest price than it is to the value line that I like to buy at. So therefore I'm going to continue waiting on it until it comes down here. What about you? With the strategy you use, do you buy it at the support line or do you wait for that to start going up first? Thank you so much for watching our videos. We thank you very much for your time. Thank you for all your comments, and we thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, and on our channel we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence. And swing trading is one way you can create another stream of income working toward your financial independence goal. As a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional trader. I swing trade my husband and I joint account, and I like to share what is working for us here with you. That's what we are doing, working toward our financial independence goal. So please use our information, our educational information with caution. And if you find things that you like, you can improve, customize it to your liking to use it in your own financial success journey. Thank you so much for your time. For more videos in this series, please check the playlist How to Start Swing Trading Step by Step Using Long Uptrend Lines in the description of this video. And this video is brought to you by our online store, Liberman.com. If you are looking for pouches, tote bags, or cloth napkins, please visit our online store, Liberman.com. Thank you so much for your time. Happy swing trading.